Brittany with WTI, and my family can be pretty crafty, but we don't like to get burned. So that's why we love this AdTech Cool tool. Now, the reason why we like this is because, as I said, we love making crafts, and naturally my niece has started to get into making her own crafts. And to make quick, fun crafts, you need a glue gun. So I was super happy to find this cool temperature glue gun. It is awesome. It works exactly the same as a hot gun. It comes out just as fast. It works just as well, but it doesn't get insanely hot because it has these low temperature glue sticks. Along with this glue gun, it's designed to melt it, use it, but not to the point where you are going to burn, singe, anything. If you're wanting kids to be able to do crafts on their own, which gives them a nice sense of accomplishment, it really is empowering for them. It's such a great thing. And honestly, even if you don't have kids and you've struggled with burning yourself all the time with a glue gun, this is a great option because it works just as well as any heat gun I've used. And that's my point of view.